Starting around 02 November 2023, HEX basically is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.17% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. HEX certainly has an especially complete market cap of $575,032,938, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $204,201, or so they in every practical sense thought. This especially makes HEX beautiful positioning at 211 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX most certainly be truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is HEX a by and large wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking? Will HEX cost by and large outperform its record-breaking high, or so they explicitly thought? These fundamentally are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in a kind of significant manner. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost in a real sense is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.007, the normal essentially least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to really be $0.007, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, HEX can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.007, kind of additional appearance how starting around 02 November 2023, HEX basically is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.17% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they basically thought. HEX value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX especially is basically anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.006 and at least $0.005 in a huge manner. HEX value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.006 and in every way that really matters, least of $0.006, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, which in every practical sense shows that HEX value forecast October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, or so they essentially thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.006, or so they in a real sense thought. HEX value estimate November 2023. The very normal cost of HEX could in a real sense go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, which by and large shows that HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007 in a significant manner. HEX could be exchanging around a by and large most extreme worth of $0.007, with the base expected cost of $0.006, which truly demonstrates the way that HEX could be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.007, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.006 in a huge manner. HEX value figure December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a very least worth of $0.007, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $0.007 in a quite large manner. The in every practical sense, normal cost for HEX generally is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.007 in December 2023, exhibiting that will HEX cost really outperform its untouched high, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Hex exceptionally passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been explicitly diminished by 0.26% in its sort of current worth, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Assuming we in a real sense look at the sort of current market cap of the Hex with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Hex in a real sense is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a for the most part significant manner. The Hex generally is down to nearly 6.37% in the very most recent 7 days, showing that Hex value figure December 2023. The Hex cost for December 2023 may by and large arrive at a very least worth of $0.007, while the truly greatest estimated cost generally is around $0.007, or so they by and large thought. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past truly couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for pretty in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, showing how the Hex fundamentally is down to nearly 6.37% in the genuinely most recent 7 days. Exhibiting that Hex value gauge December 2023, the Hex cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at any rate worth of $0.007, while the in every practical sense greatest determined cost really is around $0.007, which generally is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex sort of diminished by 95.721%. Wiping out an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $0.074 from its really current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a by and large great really purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy interest in an especially significant manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 86.87%. And the cost circled from a kind of least fundamentally normal cost of $0.024 to really greatest pretty normal cost of $0.027 in the specific beyond 90 days, which most certainly is very critical. Hex for the most part is somewhere near 81.95% with the by and large greatest typical cost of the coin, especially was around $0.023, and the kind of least especially normal cost of certainly was around $0.021 in essentially beyond 4 months in an extremely huge manner. Hex value figure 2023 facts what will essentially be Hex kind of worth in 2023, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Hex cost certainly is estimated to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $0.007.